Hey guys, my name is Lelasophia. I am an artist and fine jewelry designer. If you like contemporary fine jewelry, if you like luxury handbags, all things interiors, and I have some fun videos for you. Guys, if you guys are OGs, you know this background. We're at my parents' house. It's very wholesome for Christmas, you know, we love it. Matisse and I got here a few days ago, actually. We're taking a nice little Christmas hiatus. I'm saving all my Christmas videos also, and I had some videos, but I was like, we need something a little bit more festive for Christmas Eve. Even, you know, if you guys do celebrate or don't celebrate, it's still just nice. Hopefully you guys have off of work or have a little bit of a break or something to spend time with family or friends or even just chilling. And so I'm gonna do what's in my bag video with my Bottega Veneta Sardine bag. And then you guys, I literally have just you know, as we often do, I bought myself like 2 mini little pre-Christmas presents, and I'm very excited. Like one in particular, I think is like the steal and gem of the century. But first and foremost, if you guys are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in all of my future videos. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at lelasophia jewelry. I put up videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and so I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Okay, what should we start with? I think, guys, I can't keep this in anymore. Like my vintage, I've been training for this, and maybe this isn't such a big deal. Maybe like a lot of people have these, but I was looking, as I often am. First of all, we know that I have some weird like fixation with the Celine clasp bag. And I also love my Celine 16 bag, and I just did my Celine bag video, and so that was on the brain. And I did remember how before I got my Celine 16 bag, I was kind of obsessing over a lizard one, which I know is so ridiculous. I have not been able to find any in like a long time. There were a few on the pre-loved market and they got snatched up like immediately. And I just did, you know, a little Google search, and then all of a sudden this like random, unknown to me, but apparently not unknown brand from like the mid 20th century, the 1900s, popped up, who specialized in exotic leathers. Needless to say, however many rabbit holes you think there are, there's always more. And so I went on a rabbit hole of exotic, you know, like mid 1900s bags, and I found one for the craziest deal of all time. I literally offered $40 for this. I think it was listed for like 90, 80. I've seen them go. 40's like quite low. 40's on the low end, but I've never seen in the like, you know, recent rabbit hole that I've gone down, I've seen these bags for like between 75 and 200, like barely go above 200. And I pulled the trigger as soon as, I can't believe that the seller from eBay accepted this offer. So I got a vintage, very vintage, genuine lizard handbag for $40. Are we ready for this? I don't even know. Like the photos look nice, but in person, I hope it's gonna translate on camera. This is a genuine sterling USA lizard handbag, which like, are we kidding? Look at this lizard. And when I tell you, like, it is durable, it is so hard. Again, probably not going to translate on camera. I was shocked by how dope this bag is as soon as I got it, and I was like, oh, like, is nobody aware of this? We all need to get these. Like, look at the patterning of the skin. It's so cool. And the interesting thing is that, you know, we know that exotic leathers kind of tan over time. You know, it's leather, it's skin. Leathers in general do, but so many of them are treated that exotics, you know, tan a little bit more perhaps than most leathers we're used to, at least. So I'm actually not sure what the like original color of this is, but whatever it was, it has become the most beautiful chocolatey brown color right now. And like, oh, I mean, this bag is an insane condition. The only where you can see a little bit is on the brass. I don't have like my whole jewelry kit here at my mom's house, but I will take a polisher to this brass. I assume it's brass, and polish it and see, like, even, oh my gosh, even the side clasps are so beautiful. There you go. I think you guys are seeing like the actual light of it, and it's like this, it's the structure for me. It's kind of insane. And the handle is like a little wonky, but I've just been hanging it on a doorknob. I don't know why everybody doesn't do that, but I understand. If you're trying to sell something, maybe it was passed down to you, you kind of like don't really know how to handle it. And so I'm just hanging it, and it's kind of working out because the handle is so beautiful. It's in this, it's just so thick. It's so stiff. Like, I just had to share this with you guys. $40, 40. This is insane. Inside, like, the bag is a little bit scary to get into, especially because I have natural nails. Terrified that I'm gonna break my nails doing this one day. The handle is a little bit intense. You kind of have to flip it up. And then look at the inside. It's like a doctor bag. This is like true vintage bag. Like, the inside is an insane condition. Like, what? How is that even possible? Look at even like the gold trim. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. If anybody knows the age on a bag like this, I'd love to know it. I'm gonna see if the listing or similar listings have it and put it on the screen, but I just had to share this with you guys. This is my kind of early Christmas present to myself. It's so cool. I think I'm gonna wear her to my little Christmas Eve dinner tomorrow. And then, you know, as I talk about all the time, which a few of you have commented on, I'm glad you guys think it's as sweet as I do. My mom and I were shopping for, you know, some last minute Christmas gifts, and we happened to pop into Hermes in Greenwich, Connecticut. I don't know if you guys have ever been there. It's worth, if you're in the like tri-state area, it's worth a shopping day. It's really fun. It's like the epitome of the bougie Connecticut. It's kind of ridiculous, but it is really fun, I will say. And like the Saks there is really well stocked. And then, you know, right next to Saks, or quite close to Saks, is Hermes, and my sister-in-law is a fan. And so I was like, let's get her. I hope if my brother's watching this, or my brother, I hope that my sister-in-law is not watching this. I'm really sorry. But long story short, we got her some makeup from Hermes, and I was like, ooh, I have been wanting to try a couple things. And so I did indeed get myself a little early Christmas present. This is a nail polish, which we know. First of all, my nails have to be done. I need to do them tonight, so don't judge them. I'm sorry, like, it's a terrible to be doing close-up shots where I need my nails to look good. They're not on their best day today, so please forgive me. But I will be trying this new color tonight and insert what it looks like on my actual nails. Oh my gosh, I've been so excited to try this. This is Gris et Taupe, which is interesting. You guys who are better than me at Hermes colors, is Gris et Taupe different than et Taupe? I'm a little curious, but it's so pretty. It looks like, let's just admit, right? It looks very me. We know I love my nude nails. I've gone through, like, I've always done my nails myself. My aunt taught me how to like keep and maintain a long length of nails. These are my natural nails, while just doing them yourself. And so I have a whole routine that I've done for like literally 9+ years. So I've gone through every nude nail polish, like pretty much imaginable, and I found my staples. And if I don't do nude, I've always done the same combination for the last like literally 9 years of what is now known as the Hailey Bieber, what's it called? Glazed donut nails. Anyways, so I'm a little bit of a nail polish nerd, and I've never tried this. This and the Gucci nail polish, I'm very curious to try. So I'll insert some pictures once I actually paint my nails with this, but this looks beautiful. I was heavily debating between this and the more brownie color, so I'll probably end up getting that too. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I'm very curious and excited to try this. For the reason we are here today, let's do a what's in my bag video with my medium Bottega Veneta Sardine. I know I've been showing her a lot lately, but I've been wearing her a lot lately, and I just, you know, I had to like, you know, revamp and show you guys that I still do love Bottega Veneta, even though I've been kind of fixating on the Row, which they both are my favorite brand of all time. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking more specifically about the medium Sardine. We do know that the original, which I just went over in my Bottega Veneta new bags video that I just posted, the original size, which is like, it's almost like the bottom is like chopped off. It's a little bit, or this is a better way of saying it. If a couple inches off the top was chopped off, and maybe a few off of the sides, but it's not that much different than the original. But we now know that the original is coming with a chain strap. And so, you know, it's like, really, that is a hard choice. It's a hard choice picking between the original size and the medium size, but I do love the medium size, especially for how much I can fit in it. And I was saying, like, this sounds so silly, but when you wear it on your shoulder, because I'm like trying to see if I can explain this correctly, because the strap is quite wide already, there's like a really nice distribution of weight, if that makes any sense. And so on your shoulder, this bag is so comfortable, even if it's heavy, even if there's a lot in it like there is right now. I'm filming on my phone, so that would be the first thing that I would probably find in my bag, quite frankly. But As we know, it really just opens up so easily. There's just a little magnetic closure that makes it actually really nice. Like it feels very, I mean, let me not jinx myself, but it feels very safe, especially when it's kind of tucked in your arm. So the way that I organize my bags, I've gotten just very like minimal, sleek, organized. We know that's one of my favorite things of all time to do. So I essentially kind of figure out each one of my bags to have little like pochettes inside of them. So let me see if I can show you this. So I have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which is from the luggage collection. I have an Alexis Bittar pochette. And then this bag comes with its own pochette, which is really, really nice. So I put like, I mean, again, I probably should not be putting this on the internet, but I put my most important things in the one actually attached to the bag so that God willing, if you know, something happens, hopefully it'll be safe in this bag. I actually have been loving using, you guys know how much I love my little mini Louis Vuitton pochette. This is a really cool vintage piece from a luggage collection. These are all, I believe, like little hand-painted motifs. It's so cute. And in here, there's like really nothing that exciting. I have my card holder, which a few of you guys have also asked me for like an SLG collection. I've gotten to be so minimal that I literally just use a card holder, which I'm not going to show you anything other than this, but essentially this is like just such a cute, I mean, shocker, big shocker. It's brown. It's a really cute card holder from Amazon. Like, I don't know, I've gone down the whole wallet rabbit hole and gotten really cool wallets, and I've sold most of them. I still have a few of them. And then I was like, I have so many cards these days. I keep my business card, you know, all the important stuff in there, that I just want something super sleek. And so honestly, I might never go back. Maybe one day I'll get a cool like Bottega card holder, but for now this is perfect. And then truly in my Louis little pochette, I have my earbuds, I have my vitamins, and I have gum. And like really, I call it a day. I also maybe have like a little ginger too. These are really good immunity if you have a bellyache, anything. I'm such a mom, but I'm not a mom yet. Anyway, there you go. Organized little first pochette. This is the one that goes like, it's a necessary piece to go in every single one of my bags, and it's small enough that it fits in even my smallest bags, which is so nice. And in the pochette that actually comes with the bag that is attached to the medium sardine bag, I really just have my sunglasses for now, because I'm always like, even though, again, knock on wood, I've never actually lost a pair of sunglasses, it just makes me nervous because I feel like they're the type of thing that you could put in your pocket, put anywhere, put down when you're like, there's so many transitional moments of going indoor to outdoor with sunglasses that I feel like there's a lot of moments that you could lose them. And I really don't want to lose these. I, yes, again, have been wearing my Phoebe Philo sunglasses. I have been loving these, and I don't know, what can I say? I love the new Bottega ones that I just got, so I was really debating between which one to bring home, but I don't know. These have been a vibe, and they kind of go with every single outfit. So these are one of my definite essentials, and I keep them in the little Phoebe Philo bag. I'm hoping and praying and crossing my fingers that she continues to restock them with every single drop. So my sunglasses and my house keys, very exciting, go in the Bottega pochette, which is so nice. There's a little logo. There's just like the sweetest little logo on the side, and then that's just so sleek and goes right in here. And then the most fun one, which is my Alexis Bittar little pochette that I got like a year ago, something like that. I got it in a sale. I guess is this a small leather good, right? I don't know. Okay, so maybe I have a little mini collection, but this one is in the prettiest color. It's in this like purpley gray with then the cutest little hand detail. Like, come on. How could you not love that little hand detail? It's so cute. And for those of you guys who don't know Alexis Bittar, I think Alexis Bittar has been one of the most successful jewelry designers transition to handbag designers, in my humble opinion. I've talked about their bags a lot, and I really love them, and I love this piece that I got from them almost a year ago. So let's see what we have. I actually am like not 1000% of what's in here, so we're gonna see. Good old hand sanitizer, because that's necessary. Okay, that's our first thing. And then the only other thing that I did pick up from Hermes, which is the lip oil. I've been wanting to try this. This is in the more like orangey shade. It looked more corally in person. It's quite like pinky orange, if that makes sense, but it feels so nice on your lips. I'm also so excited. I just ordered, which I think is like a brand new makeup brand. I hope I pronounced his name correctly, but Raquel Beauty. He's incredible. He's this like amazing makeup artist. It's like Beyonce and Kim Kardashian. you know, to name 2 more insane people to be like makeup artist for, and his new line looks insane. So I'm gonna compare the Hermes lip oil to his lip oil as soon as I get it on Tuesday from Pat McGrath. I always was I think, was it called Gold Allure? I have that one, and that's like kind of my favorite, but it's always sold out now. So we're trying Blitz Gold and seeing how it's going. It's what I'm wearing right now with my Carol Beige lipstick by Gucci. And then for a more like nudie vibe, Love Potion. I did have to try a couple to get to this one. Like literally it's the same color as my skin tone. That is so funny, but I love this. This one is so beautiful, and it's a little bit more glittery if you can see. I'll definitely swatch this one. I'm sure I've worn it in other videos, but this is so pretty as well. So these are my 2 new Pat McGrath from Black Friday sales. As I always warn you, pretty much what I carry in my bag is like 1,000 lip products. I don't know why I kind of fixate on always having something very nourishing on my lips, but this is the combo of all combos that I've figured out. Again, from Gucci Beauty, I have Carol Beige lipstick, which I will never go back. It is like my absolute all-time favorite lipstick color style of them. I'm very curious to try a few more, but this one's perfect for my skin tone. I just put it in the center of my lips here, which it looks like very gray toned. Even though I was wearing Blitz Gold over it, this from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Anastasia, however you say it. OG makeup community. This one is Honey Kiss. This combo is crazy good. Like, look at that gray, coolly nude vibe. I don't know. I'm just saying it here first. Honey Kiss by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carol Beige by Gucci Beauty. Craziest nude, neutral, cool toned nude combo of all time. Let me see what else I have in here. Ooh, this is a good one, especially for now because my hands are so, like winter, I really struggle. My skin really struggles. This Le Labo hand lotion, this is Hinoki. I don't know why they don't make a perfume or fragrance of this. This is one of my favorite fragrances, and I have the hand soap and the lotion. 1,000 hair ties because, you know, I have a lot of hair and it's very heavy. And a kind bar because, you know, God knows if you all of a sudden get a little, what's that? There was an amazing like TikTok or something of someone who's like, I'm a bit low blood sugar. Like, he was not lying, okay? If you're ever low blood sugar, you need a little snack in your bag. Again, such a mom without even being a mom. More mom dog stuff, dog bags, because that's the most important. And lastly in here, this I also love, and this is a throwback. I got this, I think 2 years ago with my little Christmas Sephora gift card. This is a Tom Ford lip balm, but kind of like wildly shimmery lip balm. Let's see how crazy this looks. This is like the most insanely beautiful lip balm. I've used it a lot, sorry. The packet, but like look at how insane that is. This is gorgeous, and especially like if you're eating and you want to just like refresh something and not do a whole lipstick lip gloss combo, this is kind of like the perfect thing to just throw on mid or end meal. I love it so much, and I'm sure there's been multiple iterations of it like getting very popular. It's wildly expensive. Again, I definitely got it with a gift card. I'm not going to lie, being fully transparent, but it is kind of really cool, and I'm sure there's a bunch of like very sparkly lip balms that have come out since then, but this is, I guess I've had this in my bag for a long time. And that is everything that goes in here. It all fits like kind of so perfectly. I don't know, I love this so much. I do just love the idea of kind of like being able, instead of finicking around your bag for 1,000 different things, having all of your little pochettes in a bag. Like, how easy is that? And then you know where everything is. We love the organization of it all. And this is how I wear my Bottega Veneta Sardine bag. You guys, the next few videos are probably gonna be quite big videos, or like big deal videos. I have a Christmas unboxing, obviously after Christmas, and then I have a surprise because you guys know my mom is like the most amazing bag collector as well, and so I might see if I can steal some of her bags to do a few videos for you guys, and I can't wait to show you. And as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one. If you celebrate this holiday, Merry Christmas. It was just Hanukkah, happy holidays, wherever you are, happy almost New Year, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye guys.